So yeah, you can see our messy garage. Well, we try to add some shelves into it. So we started cutting 2x4s. I mean, considering it's the most easiest material to work with, we kind of stuck with the dimensional lumber. So we got a 8 foot a 2x4, cut it half, made a 4 foot shelving in that way, so that you don't have a lot of wastage. So the depth being 2 feet, in that way, again, you can use one 8 foot lumber making a whole shelf. Uh, as you can see, we did find the stud first, mark where the studs are, and then go and repeat the same process over and over. On that side of the garage, we ended up making just one shelf because my workbench was there. So we just cut 8 foot halfway, and then it's a 4 foot by 2 feet deep. Uh, Put up four shelves and just added support with an 8 feet lumber. So it was literally probably it took us 40-45 minutes to do that, and same process on the other side. Um, on the other side, I had a little bit more space to work with, so I went with the whole 8 feet. Didn't cut it again. The only cuts that was a depth, again 2 feet. So to make things easier, made 3 or 4 shelves. Our garage door was opening, so those on the top shelf had to be cut short by a foot and a half. So I had to change a little bit of dimension. You can see that. I was also using like a cheat way to find the distance between the shelves being the same, and you can see me using the windshield wiper fluid to see if it fits or not. It's your preference. You can go up to 16 inches or even 24 inches. Some people do even deeper, but this is all we needed. So the top shelf is where I was mentioning about it being shorter than the other one. So it's not 8 feet anymore because of the garage door. But I have one extra shelf to store all my lumber. I'm actually going to put up a lumber rack on top of that too. And this is um, the actual shelving. You can buy a 1/4 inch plywood if you're not going to store anything that's heavy. We actually went with a 1/2 inch OSB, but you can pick plywood or OSB, whatever you feel. Yeah, that's a finished product. Hope you like it. It's pretty easy. You can actually do the whole garage in a day.